What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another fast meal prep hack. What I'm doing today is a live meal prep hack. This is a lot different than the other ones I usually do in my house. The reason I'm doing this is because when you're out and about, this is the real meal prep hacks that really get people to look for what type of foods they should be consuming when they're out and about. So right now, I'm here at Publix, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go inside the grocery store, show you a quick meal that I usually do when I'm out and about, all right? Because right now I'm washing my car. I just finished working out and I'm really hungry, I'm starving. I didn't prep any meals, and this could happen to anyone. And I could easily go to a fast food restaurant, get like a Beyond sausage from Dunkin' Donuts or the Impossible Burger at Burger King. But the problem with those foods is it's still junk food. And when it comes to the macros, it's not so great. But here, you have tons of options of foods that you can get. So let's go ahead and go inside. I wanna go ahead and show you what I'm gonna make. Now, what I'm looking for is something that I don't have to put in a microwave, something that I don't have to even cook. So the first thing I'm gonna go to is the produce aisle, because when it comes to the produce aisle, there's tons of things in here that you don't have to cook, like salads, lettuce, mushrooms, tomatoes, things like that. So the first thing I'm gonna look for is a protein source. And most of the protein sources here in Publix is in the produce aisle. Here, there's tons of protein options, right? Now, when it comes to these options, some of the things that I don't have to cook is this, like the Deli meat from Tofurkey. I do not have to cook this. So I'm going to grab this, because if we look in the nutritional facts, right? Look at the protein, it's about 13 grams per serving. So I'm going to use this whole packet actually, because I want to get a lot of protein into the sandwich I'm going to make here in the store. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is go to the deli, all right, the deli section, because they have Publix subs. And if you don't know about Publix subs, everyone loves it, right? So, and I love it too. So when it comes to the sub sandwiches, right, you can ask for a veggie sub. You can get a 1/2 inch or a foot long, right? So you could definitely do that. But with the veggie sub, everything's vegan. The bread's vegan. It's already on PETA. You can check that out. And you can put tons of vegetables on there, like your lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, a whole bunch of vegetables in there to make it super healthy, and that's where you're going to get most of your vitamins and minerals. All right, so I got my meal, and what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and insert the deli slices into the sandwich. The only downfall about this meal prep hack is that two things. First thing is that for them to go ahead and add it into the sandwich, you have to purchase the deli meat, then go to the deli, and then once you grab the sandwich, then you have to purchase the sandwich. So you're in the line twice. I'm not doing that. So I'd rather just go ahead and put it in myself. It is a little bit messier, but it is a lot healthier than getting a bunch of fast food into my system. And here's another hack as well. Now, when it comes to the carbohydrates, because it's all about learning about the nutrients of food. This is why I use my Fitness Pal and I count my macros. And when it comes to this sandwich and the Tofurkey slices, I'm able to know what type of nutrients and macros I'm actually getting with this meal. So if you're someone like myself who's trying to build some muscle, then with the high carbohydrate intake, I think it's somewhere around 50 to 70 grams of carbohydrates when it comes to this meal alone. This is why I got like a 6-inch. It's pretty high. But if you're someone like myself who can take in a lot of carbohydrates, or you're on a diet where you're just trying to build on a lot of lean muscle, then it won't be a problem. But if you're someone who's trying to lose body fat and you can't take in that many calories or that much carbohydrates into your diet, then you can always replace it than doing a bread. Just do a whole plate of salad and just ask for tons of lettuce or spinach, and it's cheaper at the deli versus going to like the actual produce aisle and getting the lettuce there, because you can actually add more toppings versus getting everything randomly in the produce aisle. And again, this meal prep hack is mostly if you're out and about, you're trying to get a quick lunch. You don't want to get fast food, but you want to get some type of food that's actually a lot healthier. This will be the option, all right? So I'm only going to go ahead and do this real quick so y'all can see how I do it, and then that'll be the end of this video. All right, y'all, so I went ahead and prepped this sandwich. So what I did was went ahead, ripped the deli meat in half so it can fit inside the sub. Ate the rest of the deli meat, the other half. Just ate that plain by itself. Like I said, the deli meats you don't have to cook, all right? So this is something that you can eat on its own, get a lot of protein in. But here how it looks, just like that, all right? Fast and easy, very quick. Literally took me 5 minutes in the grocery store, and this is a better option of food versus getting fast food, all right? Right here, fresh at Publix in their deli aisle. This is your fast meal prep hack. I hope everyone enjoyed today's video. This is a lot different than my usual videos that I do, but I figured that sometimes we have to do different scenarios, you know what I'm saying? And this is like a real scenario that can happen to anyone. So like I said, I was out and about, finished going to the gym, and now I have my car in getting washed, and I was hungry, and then getting a smoothie or getting some type of fast food. I wanted real food that's going to be more sustainable and something that's going to keep me a little full until I get home. So like I said, you can always go to Publix, and I hope this meal prep hack was very useful. I'll put in the macros and the ingredients and how I ordered it. And with that said, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Speak to y'all soon. Peace.